DIY for. So just the other day while I was watching TV, I saw this woman come on and she was talking about all of the beautiful decor trends for 2019 and specifically talked about living walls being very popular. I mean, I know plants are very popular and I'm a big fan of them. As you might already know, I have a ton of plant DIYs on my channel, but real plants aren't for everyone. And maybe you want to add greenery to your space, but you don't want to water them, or you just don't have a space that's great for them because you don't have a lot of light in your room. Here is a great DIY that is very affordable. I managed to find my fake moss at the dollar store. However, I looked online and there are plenty of great options there. I'll leave some linked down below for you if you do want to try this DIY. But this is an incredible statement piece and it's kind of like a living wall that is very easy to DIY.
Okay, so I grabbed these 2 bags of moss from my Dollarama. You'll also need a hot glue gun and an X-Acto knife and a frame of your choosing, however big or small you want. I got mine at the thrift store. This is also from the dollar store. It's not just a piece of bristle board, it's what I call a foam board, so it's thicker like cardboard. So take your frame apart. You're going to just set that aside, but what you do want is the glass insert. I'm just tracing around it with my X-Acto knife and cutting through that foam board because this basically replaces the glass in your frame. So you can put it back together. We're not putting the glass back inside, and I'm just putting the frame back together. And then we have something that looks like this. So now we can glue everything to that blackboard. Black is probably your best bet as well because white would show through a lot easier. So to my surprise, this moss from the Dollarama is real. As you can see, there's dirt coming off of it. It smelled like earth. I couldn't believe it. So I kind of scratched off as much as I possibly could with that before I decided to hot glue it into place. And this is really all you have to do. Continue to glue in all of those pieces. The beauty of this is that it's real moss, so it looks authentic, and it was $3 a bag. Plus, it's not going to lose its green color because it's been dried properly. So then you just hang it up, and it looks like a real growing living wall.
Turned out great, and again, it's so perfect because it's fake. You don't have to water it, you don't have to have a green thumb for it to work, but it is a really cool way to add greenery to your space, which I always think is a plus in decor, as you might already be able to tell checking out all of my plant DIYs that I have on this channel. But let me know what you thought of this DIY. I think it's pretty simple to do, very cost effective and affordable. So give the video a like if you enjoyed it, and if you do try it for yourself, I'd love to see how it turns out in your space. Send me some photos of your DIY. You can follow me on Instagram and on Twitter at @JanelleSteeper. Just tag me in those photos so I can check out your DIYs at home, and don't forget to subscribe. I will be back next Wednesday with a new video. Cheers.